Good morning and welcome to NYNJPA Weather, your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Finally, the clouds and the showers and the cool conditions are finally exiting the Northern Mid-Atlantic and moving into the Atlantic Ocean. However, the low pressure system that was associated with all those clouds and rain is still intensifying over Maine, and because of that, there's a tightening pressure gradient. What does that mean? Well, unfortunately, it's going to be windy today. Still, it won't be all that bad with temperatures rebounding into the 60s and clear skies, but winds will be anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting to 30 miles per hour at times, especially along the coast. But for the most part, it really won't be that bad of a day, especially for early October. Now let's zoom out a little bit and take a look at the rest of the nation real fast. So our low pressure system is exiting out through Maine. We have another weak cold front that is moving through the eastern Great Lakes that will move through our location today. No showers, no precipitation whatsoever with this cold front, but it will produce a little bit of a wind shift from winds from the west more to the northwest. Now, the key impact throughout this coming weekend is a high pressure center that is sitting over the plains this morning. This high pressure center will remain in control for tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and most of Tuesday. So basically what we can expect is clear skies, light winds, and most importantly of all, temperatures back in the 70s for highs. So it's going to be a really nice weekend, excellent start to next week. However, there is trouble brewing. I want to show you a quick index here about the way that the pattern evolves over the next couple of days. This is what we call the NAO, North Atlantic Oscillation, and the AO, Arctic Oscillation, indices. These indices are important because they kind of tell us where the best blocking is and whether heights are falling around the Canadian border. And if they're falling around the Canadian border, that means we have a trough in the eastern United States, most times. Now, what we have here is a clear indication of both of these indexes crashing, falling to the negative. When these two fall negative, usually that means some rather stormy weather is on the way for the northern Mid-Atlantic and much of the Northeast. And in fact, that is exactly what I'm expecting towards the middle and latter parts of October. So basically, when you take a look at these indices and you see everything crashing, get ready for stormy conditions. However, on the flip side, when both of these indices are positive, you get a positive oscillation, which means that your lower heights are up towards northern Canada. You have a positive North Atlantic oscillation, which means the pattern is moving quickly. There's no blocking in the North Atlantic. That usually means pretty warm conditions. So this whole pattern coming up over the next several months is going to be very important in determining whether you have an NAO or AO that is positive or negative. So basically for the rest of October, let's be careful out there because it looks like we're going to definitely get a lot stormier as we move towards the end of this coming month. Thank you for using NYNJPA Weather, your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Have an excellent day.